Hello, Conrad.
Hello, Melody. How are you today?
I am well, thank you. Today, we will talk about a fun topic.
Yes. We are talking about hobbies.
What is a hobby, Conrad?
A hobby is an activity we choose to do. We do it in our free time.
It is not a job. We do not do it for money.
That is right. We do hobbies for fun and enjoyment.
Hobbies are very good for us. They help us relax after work or school.
I agree. Hobbies can reduce stress. They make us feel calm.
Hobbies also help us learn new things. We can develop new skills.
And we can meet new people. Some hobbies are very social.
A life with hobbies is a happy life. It is more interesting.
I think everyone should have a hobby. It is important for a balanced life.
Let us talk about our hobbies. Conrad, what do you like to do?
I have several hobbies. My main hobby is reading.
I like reading too. What kind of books do you enjoy?
I enjoy many kinds of books. I like fiction books with exciting stories.
You also mentioned history books before. Why do you like history?
I think it is fascinating to learn about the past. It helps me understand the present.
That is a great reason. Where do you get your books?
I go to the library every week. It is free and has thousands of books.
You said you have other hobbies.
I do. I also love hiking.
Hiking is very different from reading. One is inside, one is outside.
That is true. I like the balance. Hiking is my physical hobby.
What do you see when you go hiking?
I see tall trees and colorful wildflowers. Sometimes I see animals like deer or birds.
It sounds very beautiful and peaceful.
It is. I listen to the sound of the wind. It is very relaxing.
Do you have one more hobby to share?
Yes. My third hobby is cooking.
Cooking is a very useful skill.
It is a creative hobby, too. I like to experiment with different foods.
What kind of food do you like to cook?
I enjoy cooking Italian food. I make good pasta and pizza from scratch.
That sounds delicious. I am sure your family is happy.
They are. We enjoy eating the meals together. It brings us closer.
Tell me about your hobbies.
My favorite hobby is painting. I have loved it since I was a child.
That is a wonderful creative hobby. What do you paint?
I like to paint landscapes. These are pictures of places in nature.
Where do you put all of your paintings?
I hang some in my house. They make my home more colorful.
Do you show your other paintings to people?
Yes, I give them to my friends and family as gifts. A painting is a very personal gift.
It must be very relaxing.
It is. When I paint, I forget all my worries. I focus only on the art.
I understand that feeling. What other hobbies do you have?
I also love to dance. It is very different from painting.
It is. Dancing is very active and social. What kind of dancing do you do?
I am taking salsa dancing classes. It is a very energetic and fun dance.
What is the music like for salsa?
The music is very lively and fast. It makes you want to move.
Do you have a third hobby?
Yes, I enjoy gardening.
Ah, an outdoor hobby. Do you have a big garden?
No, I have a small garden on my balcony. I grow flowers and some herbs.
It must be nice to watch them grow.
It is very rewarding. I feel happy when I see a new flower open.
So your hobbies are creative, active, and peaceful.
Yes, they give my life a good balance.
Our hobbies are quite different. This shows there are many types of hobbies.
Yes, we can put hobbies into different groups.
For example, there are physical hobbies. These hobbies involve moving your body.
My dancing hobby is a physical hobby. Your hiking is too.
Sports are also physical hobbies, like playing soccer or tennis.
Then there are creative hobbies. My cooking and your painting are creative.
What is another group of hobbies?
There are collecting hobbies. Some people love to collect things.
Like collecting stamps from different countries?
Exactly. Or collecting old coins or comic books.
Some hobbies are about helping others. We can call them helping hobbies.
What is an example of a helping hobby?
Volunteering at an animal shelter is a helping hobby. Or helping to clean a local park.
That is a very kind type of hobby. It helps the community.
Let us imagine someone does not have a hobby. How can they find one?
That is a great question. First, they can think about their interests.
They can ask themselves some questions. What did I like to do as a child?
That is a good idea. Sometimes our childhood interests can become adult hobbies.
They can also ask, do I prefer to be indoors or outdoors?
And do I want a quiet hobby or an active hobby?
After thinking about these things, they can explore.
What is a good tip for starting a new hobby?
Do not spend a lot of money at the beginning. You want to be sure you like it first.
That is smart. So for painting, maybe you buy a small, cheap set of paints first.
Exactly. You can always buy better equipment later.
And if you do not like the first hobby you try, that is okay.
Yes. You can just try something else. The search is part of the fun.
We have talked a lot about hobbies today.
Yes. We learned that hobbies are activities we do for fun.
They are very important for a happy and healthy life.
Hobbies help us relax. They take our minds off of work and stress.
They allow us to learn new skills. This helps us feel proud and confident.
Some hobbies keep us physically active. Other hobbies keep our minds sharp.
They can also be a great way to meet new people and make friends.
There are many, many types of hobbies. There's something for everyone.
So we encourage everyone to find a hobby they love.
Make time for your hobby. It is an investment in your own happiness.
It makes every day a little brighter.
I agree completely. Well, it was great talking with you. I have to go now. Goodbye.
It was great talking with you too, Melody. Goodbye.